signature dish is based upon a celebration of the farm life. So growing up with my grandmother and my aunts and my cousins on the farm, we played a lot in the farm. So this dish captures those moments with the grains, the pumpkin, all the flowers and succulents. So all that sort of goes into the dish, and we feel like a celebration of a coming of time. Like we had him Kombotsi back home, but now I made it more fancy. So it's just a celebration of my family and their heritage and the way they like to live their life. I think the thing I've learned the most since entering the inaugural competition was just be yourself. Like, don't try to mimic someone else. Don't try to be too clever on a plate. You have to be more honest with yourself. So when they ask you all the hard questions on stage, you can really answer them with confidence and be like, this is me on a plate, and this is why I believe this dish is good. So I think to be more confident, to be more honest in who you are,